In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 important things that you need to know when obtaining a certificate of occupancy and a fire certificate when selling your home. Hi, I'm Warren Johnson with RE/MAX Property Center in Paramus, New Jersey. Today, I'm going to discuss 3 important things you need to know when obtaining a certificate of occupancy and a fire certificate when you're selling your home. The first thing that you need to know is that it is typically the seller's responsibility to obtain the certificate of occupancy and the smoke or fire certificate, and that is done through the building department. Second, you should start preparing your home, doing any types of repairs you may need to do, and installing smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. You can go to your local building department and they typically have a list of the items that the inspector or inspectors are going to be looking at when they come to your home. So you'd essentially have the house ready for when you have a buyer. Third, and probably the most important thing, is timing. You can have your house getting ready, but you cannot file for the CO or smoke certificate until you actually have a buyer, because that buyer's information needs to be on the application. You're at the mercy of the town's schedule, as an inspector is going to need to come to your house, and you don't want to wait too long. You want to get that going right when you pretty much get under contract so that you don't potentially delay the closing. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to buy or sell a home in Bergen County area, please give me a call, 201-747-3041. Thank you.